In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Notion to Claude. This is useful because Claude can read your Notion pages, search your workspace, and even create or update pages for you. It saves a lot of time because you don't have to copy-paste everything manually. So let me show you how you can connect it, and it's so simple. You just want to go to your profile and then settings, and in the connectors, you want to click on Browse Connectors. And from here you want to search for Notion, so it's over here, but you can also use the search bar for it, and you can search it manually. Then you want to click on this plus icon next to it, and this is going to redirect you to sign in page on Notion, where you have to select your account which you want to use. After that you will be asked to select your workspace, so I can choose my workspace, then click on continue. And after that, you should see configure button next to Notion, and you can also configure like access from here, so you can change all of those permissions. So you can only select the specific permissions you want to allow to Notion. So you can click, let's say for this, always allow, and that means you allowed Notion to create comment with Claude, right? You can also block it from here. And now, if you want to try it, you want to go to search or new chat, new chat. And from here, you can add some of your prompt. So I created this simple prompt that I want to create a new Notion page called content ideas and add 10 ideas for the videos, right? So I'm gonna enter this prompt and we will see what Claude creates for us, right? And as you can see, I currently don't have allowed creating pages from Claude, so I need to allow it. And after that, we should see a new page. And as you can see, it popped up right now. So you can see content ideas, but I'm gonna wait a second for Claude. And you can also open it from here with this link, which Claude gives you. So I'm gonna open it with it. And from here, you can see your content ideas in your Notion. So you can read them. First one is day in my life vlog, and there is it. So you have 10 ideas. And that's basically it, how you can connect your Notion, and one quick example how you can use it, alright? But you can use it for summarizing your pages or editing them. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.